We've all seen what happens in DFW after a storm hits. Roofers will be showing up in your neighborhood at 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning in monster trucks, but in all reality, you don't know who any of these people are and you don't have any trust with them. The roofer that you want is Tejas Roof Works.
In the state of Texas, you don't need a license to be a roofing contractor, but it's a voluntary program and we've passed that test and we are licensed.
We care about our clients. You're gonna love doing business with us, I guarantee it.